Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to give you an alternative to Kali Linux tools such as Aircrack-ng, Kismet, and Wi-Fi Lite. Now, these three tools are used to scan Wi-Fi networks, and I'm going to build a code in Python that is going to do the same thing, and you can then improve or work on that code to do more advanced things with it. But let's get started. All you need to do is to import sub processes. All right. So I'm going to start with my function here. And I'm going to wrap everything in the try block. If you don't understand why I am out, the reason behind using the try block is for handling errors. And I encourage you to go visit my video on error handling. So now I'm going to use net command. For some reason. All right. It's kind of slow. I don't know what's going on. I want to see the network. I also want to see looks good. All right. Not equal to 0. I want to print please time here. This is for educational purposes only, and for you don't have to use this knowledge to do harmful things. Remember, penetration testing is illegal unless you have permission. So do not use this knowledge to do some harmful stuff out there. I need to print. All right, let me finish off this one. All right, looks good. So it's scanning. These are the results from the terminal. Let me run one more time. Perfect. All right, so it's telling me it has found 3 networks available. So this is number 1, number 2, Number three, and it gives me more details about these networks, like the network type, authentication, encryption, and also the signal strength, and also some other details. Now, there's a lot that you can do with this code, like you can further enhance this code to something more. For example, you can also try to add filtering and targeting. You can also scan security details on these networks. De-authentication attack simulation, you can also do that. So you can simulate a de-authentication attack. This requires libraries such as Skepi to send de-authentication packages, and also it will require you to have kind of a root permission on your system. You can also keep on working on this program so that it can apply to on Kali Linux and other operating systems out there. Another addition that you can do to this is to add a geolocation so that you can know exactly where the signal is coming from, and also do real-time scanning, add a GUI interface, and you can do a lot of things to maybe generate a report and kind of create a dashboard. But that's a basic building block for you to scan the Wi-Fi network in your area and also see their properties. Thank you, and bye bye.